Some of the top human skills that are required in 2026, according to Google, include creativity, empathy, emotional intelligence, decision-making, intuition, adaptability, and leadership, because these are skills that AI cannot yet replicate or bring to the boardroom table. I would also add critical thinking and decision-making to the mix, because they are vital skills in today's world, where data overload increases by the day, and the rate of change means you have to know your own mind, be able to act upon it. These skills also happen to be the cornerstone of the PhotoReading Accelerated Learning Workshops I have been teaching since 2002 and teaching online since 2018. PhotoReading trains your brain how to photo read at 25,000 words per minute and learn strategies to remember what you have read. It also teaches you how to access the flow state, which means you reduce stress, feelings of overwhelm and anxiety, and the sense you are always falling behind, while increasing inner focus, intelligence, alignment, a natural relaxed state, inner calm, and activates your genius potential. Photo reading is the next level and goes beyond traditional time management techniques, short-term productivity hacks, or burning the midnight oil just to keep up. Overuse of AI has been shown to dull the brain and impair memory. Photo reading powerfully embeds the learning at superhuman speeds. To find out more, go to transformations.tm.com/photoreading or contact Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, rapid transformation specialist, Futurist, and certified photo reading instructor. Of the skills highlighted, which one do you most need to develop?